Hello dear friends, this is Laboratories YouTube channel. In this video we are going to discuss a cue card, describe a businessman you admire. So the cue card is, describe a businessman you admire. You have to cover the following cues when you speak on this cue card. Who this person is, how do you know this person, what kind of business this person does, and why do you admire this person? Now, let's begin with the simple answer for this cue card. Well, I know many successful businessmen who have achieved great heights in their businesses. Here, I would like to talk about one of the most famous business tycoons whose name is Bill Gates. Bill Gates is the CEO of an American technology company called Microsoft, which is the maker of the most commonly used computer operating system, Windows. Apart from creating computer operating systems, this organization provides other services like computing, storage, and other management solutions. I admire him a lot because he is currently the third richest person in the world with a total net worth of $135 billion. He started learning to code while he was at school due to his interest in computer technology. Then he, along with two other friends, decided to start a company that can provide computer operating systems and office management tools. Because of the emergence of technology and computers, this company has grown enormously and he has become so successful. I have to say he has overcome various challenges and criticisms with his hard work and positive attitude. Apart from his business accomplishments, he is a very humble person. He and his wife have started some charitable organizations which have contributed a lot to curbing malaria and providing education to poor children around the world. Recently, he donated millions of dollars for finding medicine for the coronavirus. He also writes books and gives lectures about his success journey and struggle, so youngsters can get some inspiration and can try their best to achieve successful careers. I personally believe that Bill Gates is not only a successful individual but also a good human being. So this was the sample answer for this cue card. Now we will look at some follow-ups for this cue card. The very first one is, what do you think should be the retirement age for men and women? I would say the retirement age should not be considered on the basis of genders. The ideal retirement age is between 60 to 65 for most professions regardless of the gender, but people's fitness level should be considered before their retirement because some individuals keep themselves fit and active. Next question is, what qualities do people need to have to run their own business? I believe one should possess management qualities in order to a successful business. People should be good at managing their finances, manpower, and resources. Besides, they should have leadership qualities and a positive mindset, so they can overcome problems while running their businesses. Next question is, what do you think are key factors that contribute to the success of a business? Well, there are a number of crucial factors that contribute to the success of a company. I believe the most important factors are customer satisfaction and high quality services and products. If the customers are fully satisfied with an organization's products and services, then they will bring them customers due to the trust in the company. Then a company should not compromise with the quality of service and products, which are mostly assessed by customers. Next question is, if you had the opportunity to open your own business, what would it be and why? To be honest, I do not consider myself capable of being a businessman because this requires a lot of skills and a person should be able to manage pressure. However, if I get a chance to open any business, then it would be a restaurant. This is because there are many people who love eating burgers, pizzas, and other such items, so there are more chances of making it a success. So these were the follow-ups for this cue card. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the latest notifications when we upload a new video. We also live on following social media websites. We live on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. Do follow us there to get latest updates. Thank you for being here.